All right, believe it or not, we got another deer hit. Caved all the condenser and radiator and all that stuff in. We're going to tear the GMC down. Get the grill out.
We're just assessing the damage here, see if there's any hidden damage.
Slide it. See, you can't hit this piece right
I got
here.
you. Yeah.
Or it won't slide. Just hold on.